So ahead of the November 30th announcement, lenders are anticipating what the new loan limits will be for the conventional loans. So in this video, I'll share with you what the new loan limits are, as well as what it means in terms of the maximum purchase price that you can put for your offers when you're looking to buy a home. Currently, for a one-unit property, the conventional loan limit is $647,200. Effective immediately for a lot of lenders, the new conventional loan limit is $715,000 for a one-unit property. $916,000 for a two-unit property, $1,107,000 for a three-unit property, and $1,376,000 for a four-unit property. For an area with a higher median income, the new estimated conventional loan limit for a one-unit property is $1,073,000. Oh, and before I forget, leave a comment below if you want me to connect you with a trusted real estate agent. Also, be sure to subscribe for more insider mortgage content. There's a lot of other educational insider videos on my channel. So what does this mean and look like for you if you're a first-time homebuyer trying to buy a home? It means that if you're a first-time homebuyer with 3% down, the maximum purchase price is $737,113. If you're putting down 5%, then the maximum purchase price is $752,632. If you're putting down 10%, the maximum purchase price is $794,444. And if you're putting down 20%, the maximum purchase price is going to be $893,750 for a conventional loan. If your property is not in one of those higher median income areas, then anything over these limits will be considered a jumbo loan, which sometimes comes with a higher interest rate than a conventional loan. Now, if your property is in a higher median income area like Montgomery County, Maryland, then the maximum purchase price for a 5% down payment is $1,129,474,000. Now, if it's 10% down that you're considering putting down, then the maximum purchase price is $1,192,222. And if you're putting down 20%, then the maximum purchase price is $1,341,250. Now, separately, with a slowing down of the housing industry, we're seeing a lot more VA loans being accepted, which is a great thing. So if you're offering 0% down payment with a maximum purchase price, then the maximum purchase price is going to be $715,000. For those areas with a higher median income, then the maximum purchase price for you is going to be $1,073,000 before it's considered a VA jumbo. Now, if you're not sure what kind of maximum conventional loan limit is for your area, comment below with your county and state or a zip code, and I'll reply with a conventional loan limit that applies to you. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.